Good morning to all. This is Nerala. I am working as an assistant professor at GRIT in Hyderabad. Today I am going to discuss about procedure to enroll a course in NPTEL or SWAYAM. First we see what is NPTEL and what is SWAYAM. NPTEL stands for National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning, which is an initiative by 7 Indian institutes of technology like IIT Mumbai, IIT Delhi, IIT Guwahati, IIT Kanpur, Kharagpur, IIT Madras, and IIT Roorkee, and Indian Institute of Science for creating course contents in engineering and science. NPTEL provides e-learning through online web and video courses in engineering, sciences, and humanities stream. Actually, NPTEL stands for National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. It is the online platform for to provide the online courses for engineering, science, and humanity streams. Next, we are going to what is SWAYAM. SWAYAM stands for Study Webs of Active Learning for Young Aspiring Minds. It is an Indian massive open online course platform. It is launched by the MHRD under Digital India to give the coordinated stage and free entry to web courses covering all advanced education, high school, and skill sector courses. It was launched on 9th July 2017 by Honorable President of India. The step one to create the to log in any online course in NPTEL or SWAYAM is the step one is to type this web address http swayam.gov.in nptel. Type this web address on the web browser. You can get one window. Okay, this is the window you will get. The step two is after type this address on the web browser, you can get this window. On the right side, there is a on the top there is a tab is there, sign in and register. You can click on sign in or register tab. After that, you can get one window. Okay, login into Swayam using Facebook or Google or Microsoft or Swayam. This is the step two. Login into Swayam using either Google account or Google is linked with Gmail. So Google account or Gmail or other that may be Facebook or Microsoft account, or you can create your own login with in Swayam portal. Okay, we are familiar with we are suppose we are having the Gmail account, so I'm click the Google tab to log in the Swayam portal. After login, it will asking the what is your account name and username and password. Okay, after entering the password, you will get one window that is a swayam.gov.in. Okay, on that window it will shows on the top about Swayam, all courses, national coordinates, and local chapter, and your email ID will be appear on the top. Okay, your email ID will appear on the top means you are login in the Swayam portal using your account. This window will be appear. Okay, on the top there is a all courses is there. You can click on all courses. After click on all courses, there is another window will be open. Okay, it will shows all upcoming enrollment, that is what are the available courses are available within the upcoming, and ongoing enrollment is closed. Okay, within that you can select our required course. On the right side there is a on the left side there is a filters is there. Within the filter you can select the our national coordinator is NPTEL, course duration is 12 weeks. Within the course catalog or within the search option you can enter introduction to internet of things. Suppose I want to choose, or suppose I want to register for a IoT course for in NPTEL. You can click on introduction to internet of things in course catalog search button. Okay, after click on, there is a introduction to internet of things will be appear. You can click on that. After click on that, you will enter into the introduction to internet of things window. Okay, within that on the right side there is a join tab is there. Step 5 is click on join to enroll a course. After click on the join for enrollment, there is a window will be open. Okay. Step 6 is fill up your details in your profile. That is my profile. Suppose I am entering my details, Om Nerella, or mobile number and email ID. Here you will enter your details, name, mobile number, email ID, and your age, and your country, and your profession, whether faculty or student or research or highest qualification. You can mention here as a BTech, year of graduation, when you are going to uh, complete this course, or you can give that year as 2020. Next, part of Swayam local chapter S. Next one is it will asking the state and college and school name and the area, and area it is belongs to engineering. Department is electronics and communication engineering, and you can join that course. After that, you will enter into the your course. Okay. Similarly, you will get the alert for the Gmail account, or whatever the account you are given. Uh, you will get the some alert. Here I got the alert is welcome to Swayam NPTEL online course and certification. Thank you for sign up for online course introduction to Internet of Things. We wish you an enjoyable and informative learning experience. We will get some a link and some information. Okay, you can click on this URL. Again, you can go to the your Swayam portal. Okay. Within the portal, there is a window will be open. On the right side, your mail will be your email ID or will be appear. You can click on that. You can select the course. Okay. Within that course, suppose I am clicking on a, there is a window will be open. Within that, you can click on about the course. It will give the information about, go to about the course. Yeah, the course for course detail and certificate details. After clicking on about the course, it will show the IoT course syllabus. Actually, it is a 12-week program. Week 1 is introduction to IoT. The week 2 is basics of networking. And week 3 is communication protocol. Week 4 is sensor network. Week 5 is interoperability in IoT. Week 6 is introduction to Python programming. Week 7 is implementation of IoT with Raspberry Pi. Week 8 is SDN for IoT. Week 9 is cloud computing. Week 10 is fog computing. Week 11 is connected vehicles, smart grid, industrial IoT. Week 12 is industrial IoT, case study, agriculture, healthcare, activity monitoring. Okay. Within that, there is a, we need to know about the certificate details. This course is free to enroll and learn from. This is generally, it is a free course to learn and enroll. But if you want to get the certificate, you must write the exam. You have to register. But if you want a certificate, you have to register and write the proctorate. We write the exam conducted by us in person at any designated exam center. The exam is optional for a fees of 1,000. Date and time of exam is 18th October 2012, morning section 9 a.m. to 12 noon, and afternoon section is 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. That meaning that this course is free to enroll and learn. But if you want to get the certificate, you must write the exam. That is on 18th October 2020, and the exam fees is 1,000. And criteria for to get a certificate, it contain the average assignment score and exam score. The total score is final score equal to average assignment score plus exam score. Now, average assignment score is 25%. Means suppose the exam is 100 marks, the average assignment score is 25 marks, and the exam score, whatever we are writing the exam, final exam, that is online exam, that is the 75 marks. Total score is average assignment score plus exam score. That meaning that assignment content 25 marks and the final exam content 75 marks. Or total marks is equal 100. Next, you will be eligible for a certificate only if average assignment score is greater than 20, greater than or equal to 10, and exam score is greater than or equal 30. If one of the criteria is not met, you will not get the certificate, even if the final score is greater than 40. Suppose I got the final score is 40 marks. My assignment marks is 8 marks and exam marks is 32. I got totally 40 marks, but I won't get the certificate because internal marks must be, assignment marks must be 10. Then only you are get the certificate. Next, step 9 is go to announcement to see assignment alert. There is a, after login in the Swayam portal with your email ID, there is a window will be open, announcement about the course, ask a question, progress and mentor. You can click on the announcement. You will get the you will see the assignment alerts, week 0, week 1 week 1 assignment, week 2 assignment up to week 12. Okay, if you go to the announcement, there is some information is there, content and assignments. The course will begin on 20 July 2020. When content is released on the portal, you will get an email alerting you. Means this course will start from 20 July 2020 onwards. Okay, the content is released on the portal. You will get the email alert regarding to that. This every week about 2.5 to 4 hours of video containing content by the course instructor you will be released along with the assignment based on this. For every week 2.5 to 4 hours of video section is there. You can listen that video and you can complete that assignment is based on that week videos only. Okay, please watch the lecturers, follow the course regularly and submit all the assignments and assignments before the due dates. Assessment and assignment before the due date. Your regular participation is vital for learning and doing well in this course. This will be done week on week. This is a weekly basis. Okay. Here clearly they are clearly mentioned that please do the assignments yourself, and even if you take help, kindly try to learn from it. Means you want to do the assignments yourself only. Suppose you want to take you from other help, kindly try to learn from it, because these assignments will help you prepare for the final exam. That is the 75 marks. If you are complete the assignments within in time, you will get the good score. Your plagiarism and violating the honor code will be taken very seriously if detected during the submission of assignments. Thank you. I think this is very helpful for how to enroll the course in NPTEL or Swayam course. Thank you. This video explains how to enroll a course in NPTEL or Swayam. I type the web address swayam.gov.in NPTEL on the web browser. Okay, you will get one window. Okay, on the top there it will ask in the sign in for that sign in or register for that Swayam portal. You can click on the sign in. There is a window will be open with your login. On the top there is a all courses option is there, tab is there. You can click on all courses. It will show us all the courses they are providing. It will show us the all upcoming courses, and it is also showing that ongoing enrollment is closed, upcoming enrollment is open. On the left side we can filter national coordinator is NPTEL, and the course duration is 12 weeks. So for example, I want to learn about machine learning course. there is no machine learning course. I want to type introduction to Internet of Things. Okay. Introduction to Internet of Things will be appear on the window. You can click on it. There is another window will be open. Okay. I've already enrolled this course. So learn and enroll 73116. So if you first time you are entering to this window, it will asking the join. You can click on join. You will give, there is another window will be open. Within that window, you will enter your details and you can submit. After that, this window will be open. Okay, you can go to course, and about the course. You are click on about the course. It will shows the course content syllabus and the instruction to how to get the certificate and what are the marks for internal assignments and what are the marks for external exams. And coming to the, there is on the top your email account is there. Okay, you can click on my courses. Suppose I have enrolled for 3 courses. Within that, you want to click on go to course, introduction to Internet of Things, go to course. You can click on announcement. Within the announcement, we will see the what are the alerts for week 1 to week 12 assignments alert. Okay. This is the procedure to enroll a course in any course in NPTEL or SWAYAM. Thank you.